Hello everyone and welcome to another Looker Studio tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create regular expression filters in Looker Studio. We are going to go straight to the point, but before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So here we have a table, we're going to click on it, and let's say that we want to create a filter, and we want to filter multiple values here. So let's say, for example, that we want to only see all the sources and the mediums that include AI or they have to do with AI. For example, everything that is relevant to ChatGPT, Perplexity, and everything that includes, let's say, .ai. We want to filter all these sources. So we're going to create a regular expression filter. And how we're going to do that is we're going to go to setup column on the right hand side. We're going to say add a filter. We are going to say create a filter. We are going to name the filter maybe AI tools. And then here we're going to say include. We are going to select the field. So the field here is going to be session source / medium. So we're going to select the dimension. And here we're going to select RegEx Contains. RegEx Contains. So regular expression basically contains. And here we're going to type the condition. So we're going to say ChatGPT. We're going to use the breaker. This breaker means or. So the vertical line basically in your keyboard. So this means or. And then we're going to say also Perplexity. And then we're going to put another breaker, .ai, for example. And you can go on and on and on and on when it comes to a regular expression like this. So that's pretty much it. So we don't need to always click and this and this and that. We're going to say regular expression contains these values with a breaker that means or. We are going to save everything. And now you can see here that this table is going to be filtered to only present exactly these values. Everything that includes ChatGPT, Perplexity, .ai. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a regular expression filter in Looker Studio. Now you can go very complex with a regular expression, but my suggestion is to keep it simple and practical. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.